Hi there, I will show you how I activated developer mode on Seat Leon MK3. Developer mode is special mode in which you can change some default settings on infotainment system and do some other things. In next step I will try to install toollbox and activate full link. I will make other videos for that. You can enter developer mode by pressing this button for more than 10 seconds. In my case, nothing happens because developer mode is not activated. I will activate it by using BCDS application. I already connected OBD port. Select control module. Then electronics 2, 5F information electronics. First of all, we should enter a security access. To enter security code S12345, then do it. Okay, then we go to adaptation. We must choose a channel developer mode, which is on the bottom of the screen. They're not activated. We must choose new value, activated. Activated and do it. Yes. Okay. And that's it. Go back, close controller, exit application. Just to note, you should be very careful when using developer mode because you can damage your infotainment unit by using developer mode. Use it only when you know exactly what are you doing. By pressing more than 10 seconds, we are going to enter developer mode now. And green engineering menu. And that's it. Please, if you like this video, please like it and subscribe. Thank you.